because I want you guys to achieve that unlimited greatness where you have no stress in trading. You sit down every day. I sit down every day trading, and I know generally I'm going to make $1,000, $2,000 pretty much every day. And yeah, I know one day a week maybe I'll make a little less, or there's even a chance I'll have a down day. But it's just the ease of doing it. I just know basically I wake up, I sit down, click a couple buttons, make my money, and I'm good. And I want every one of you guys to achieve that. But to achieve that, you got to be a stickler. You got to be. It's almost as if you have your, I don't know, your own business. You do have your own business. You're a trader, and you have in your own business. If you were running your own restaurant, you're not going to be okay if there are roaches in the kitchen, right? I mean, that's not okay. You're going to expect this is my restaurant. I want it to be perfect. That's the way you have to feel.
So we'll go ahead and we'll look to take a trade here on the charts. Just a little bit lower. Let this level pierce through. We've got to see that get there just in a couple of moments. And I think this will be a good area for a quick little bounce. We could look for about a 25-30 cent pop, possibly even 50 cents. But let's see how the market reacts when it gets down to that level, and we'll just see where it goes. Again, ticker symbol is FD Family Dollar, and we're going to see how that plays out just in a moment here. We're in Family Dollar here. Okay, we're in Family Dollar here. I'm going to start to look for a quick bounce. Come on, one push, fill it up. There we go. There we go. Done. Out of it. Okay, so trade is completed. There's a quick 25 cents in the marketplace, and that's pretty much how it's done. So,
congrats to those of you that caught that one. Quite a few of you did. That STXS, guys, look at this, continues to be the top. I told you guys the $10 Pierce, and sure enough, it's basically $1 off those highs. And nice, Mike was able to short a little specs at 22. Beautiful. Good entry, Mike. Good entry. As long as it's a couple hundred shares, it's like, all right, what do you really risk? It goes against you $2, $400. Worst case, if it drops $5, make a G. Keeping my eyes on CLNT still. CLNT. That continues to grind higher. Spiders, good pullback, guys. Anyone who got this little short there, great job. 170.08 on the Spiders, excellent. Great job. So Andrew took the short at the 200. Up about 15 to 16 cents here. Beautiful job. Nice job, Andrew. Andrew took 12 cents on the Spiders. Beautiful job. Mike saying RDEN hit. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, that's a huge drop on RDEN. That's one of Nick's gaps plays. Yep. Getting a good bounce on RDEN, guys. In fact, that was his first level right here. There you go. Very nice. Good bounce on RDEN, but right now, good pullback on Tesla. Really nice pullback. Back to 152. Seeing some good selling. In all fairness, it was a little bit misleading. Initially on Tesla, let me put up Tesla as long as we're talking about it. Initially on Tesla, the media reported a profit of 20 cents, but it wasn't a profit of 20 cents. It was a profit of 5 cents. So I think initially, probably the average investor was slightly misled on that. Profit of 5 cents is good, but they made a profit last quarter too, so it's not that ridiculous from last quarter, in my opinion. But in any case, the stock is doing what it's doing. Spiders, again, possible topping tail here. We're also watching Tesla for a possible topping tail if it closes in the lower range. Spiders, beautiful pullback continuing. Nice, Danny. Danny took 17 cents on the Spiders. Great. Excellent. Great job. But again, nice little pop there on CLNT. I continue to hold my shares from, I don't know, a week ago. I feel like a week ago was when I told you guys about it that I picked it up. But obviously you're not chasing. Beautiful break. You see how that break point was so important, guys? That break point was unbelievably important. Good bidder on CLNT, 5,000 at 602. This thing wants to go up higher. Awesome. All right, I'm out half here, 613. 613, guys. I repeat, out half 613. That is a big gain on my shares of CLNT. I'm holding the rest with a mental break even. Awesome. John took $500 on CLNT. Excellent.
So if anybody wants to short JPM, you can. You just have to put your stop loss any close above the black line. Okay? Any close above the black line, which right now looks to be around 55.41. All right, anybody in JPM, look to cover it here. All right, right in this area. Look to cover it right here.
Nice pop on stem, guys, 141. Beautiful little move there, 143. There you go. 30,000 out, 143. Looks like they're printing them, though. 21, 2018, 14.7. There it is. 144. 145. 147. Oh, man. Take half off here, guys. 145 to 147. Break even stop. Done. That was easy. Amazing. Gotta love plays like that, guys. I love retrace plays. Retrace plays are some of my favorites when I'm dealing with small caps especially. You just think about that. 10 cents on a dollar stock in a matter of just a minute or two. Awesome. Second half on STEM here, folks. Out second half, 153 from 136. Look at that pop. 10% in 2-3 minutes. It's going nuts, too. There you go, Josh. Good job. Josh just paid for his weekend.
Hey, here we are. There goes quick bounce, just like that. Just like that. Boom. There we go. Just like that. Make sure you're at a half. All right? That's how it's done, fellas, ladies, everybody. Make sure you're at a half. Okay? Whew. That was not too shabby. Just like that. This can go higher. This can go a lot higher. So you want to be out of half. All right, I'm already out of half. That was literally, I think, less than a minute. I think less than a minute. There you go, Andrew. Well done. But this can go a lot higher. I'm holding second half. My stop is break even, and I have it entered into the market, okay? So I have it entered into the market. Look at this. Okay? I'm out of half, have it entered into the market. I'm going to see if we get 10 points out of this thing. There we go. We got 5 in the bag. Second half. Come on. If we got the low of the day, we could get 10 points out of this in a heartbeat. Okay? But you got to remember, nothing goes straight up. So there's going to be, you know, reflexes to the downside. You got to be willing to take that risk that we have a stop at break even. Enter it into the market limit order. All right? All right, let's see if this thing can give us 10 bucks. Yep, nice, Todd. There you go. All right, we're in the money 5, but let's see if we could get $10 out of this. We might have nailed low of the day. So 10 could be a piece of cake. Good job, Paul. $1 out of outer. Scott got $1 out of outer. All right, so morning gap play already, paying dividends. All right, OUTR, well done. Well done. Palm out of outer, excellent, excellent. There you go. Good job. Christoph out of outer, excellent. So boom, just like that. Move these over. So gap level on outer was 59.39. You can see it here. Okay, well done, well done. Good job. Good job. Good job, Karen. Excellent, excellent. Nathan, wow. I think almost the whole room caught that one. Good job. There he goes. Well done.
All right, I'm over $3 in the money at this point, guys. So let's see. Again, for those of you guys that want to take, $300 or whatever, feel free. Not going to stop you. I'm gonna roll the dice. What the heck? Roll the dice. 101's on Google. Come on, let's get down to that 1,000. Excuse me, I keep on saying 101, but it's really 1,001. You guys know what I mean, though. Brian's out of his first half of Google with a trailing stop on his last half. Excellent, excellent. Another good call, guys. Another good call. And please, and for those of you that are newer, those of you guys that have been with us for a while, you guys understand, but make sure you understand why I initially wanted to short 101 Pierce, 1001, and then I canceled it because you already got the pullback. This is where discipline is unbelievably important. Nearing 1,000, guys. Just looking for one Pierce of 1,000 and I'm out. I actually could already take about $500, but what the heck? We'll go for the glory. Go for the glory. But again, this is the correct way to trade. This is why it works. This is why we make money. Because we know the rules and we abide by them. That's simple. Here we go, guys. Here we go on Google. Let's bring that chart up. There we go. Boom. I'm out, guys. $5.5 gain. $5.5 gain. I am out of Google. I repeat, I am out of Google. $5.5 gain. Awesome trade. I only did 100 shares, or, now I'm up 2 G's on the day, basically. Yeah, good. Todd just took $500 with me on Google. Great job. Well done.
So let's enter the Yum Brands trade right here, right around $72.18. All right, so let's pick it up. Not a total fill yet. Bear with us. There we go. Okay. So we're in Yum Brands here at $72.18. Let me just draw that line in there. Okay, we're going to look for a 20-cent bounce. So move back up right to around the 72.38 level. Okay, 72.40, right in that vicinity. But we are long Yum Brands here at this moment. Okay, so we're going to look for a 20-cent bounce initially. Depending on how it reacts and what kind of bounce we get, we may even look for a bigger move, something more in line with about 40 cents. But right now we're just going to look for a 20-cent bounce. We are long at $72.18. So we'll look for a 20-cent bounce in the equity, and we'll see how this plays out. So you can see here, it's been about almost 10 minutes. But we're up decently, and at this stage of the game we put a break-even stop in, so we're not going to risk losing any money. We put a break-even stop right back in at $72.18. So worst case, we risk the commission, but we are 6 pennies away from first target. There we go. There we go. So we're out of first half. Okay, out of first half of that trade. All right, and that's just a quick 20 cents. That's all it is. Okay, quick 20 cents out at $72.38, and it's starting to move higher. So we're out of half. We're going to look for the second half of this trade to be around $72.55. Okay, we might even look for $72. Yeah, I think that's reasonable. $72.55. We might have hit the low of the day, but either way, our break even is in. We're out of half the trade for 20 cents. Entry was $72.18 and a pretty nice bounce. But so far, you got a nice little reversal bar. If we take a look at the 10-minute chart, shows us a nice outside bar. But notice how the institutions supported the equity right at 72.18. We were never out of the money more than 3 pennies. And it's so important as a day trader to know how to find these levels and to know how to isolate when the market is going to stage that kind of a bounce, regardless of what the equity is. It really doesn't matter if we're trading Yum Brands or we're trading Facebook or we're trading Google or Apple. It's all the same stuff. You just have to isolate the levels, and that's what I like to do each and every day here at In the Money Stocks. So right now we'll sit tight. We'll see if our $72.60 level could get tagged, and that would give us a total gain of around 42 cents for the trade. But right now we are out of half the position for 20 cents. And if you just did 1,000 shares, 20 cents is you took off half, 500 shares at 20 cents. That's $100. And the second half you let ride. And that's just the way to trade the markets. So this is how you do it each and every day on every scalp. So again, right at 72.38.
That was half off the table, and now we're going to look for final target of 72.60. But so far, pretty good bounce, and more importantly, it's just showing you that if you can isolate the level, how quickly you can make money in the market. I know people would love to make hundreds of dollars in 15 minutes. There's not many businesses where you can do that, but this happens to be one of them if you're educated and you understand what you are doing.
Hey guys, Evan Poachman here. I just wanted to give a quick video testimonial for Nick and Gareth over at In the Money Stocks. I've been trading with these guys for quite a few years now, and the levels that they give out are absolutely amazing. Nick in the morning does the gap plays, and they have an 80 to 90% success rate and can turn you into a 60-minute trader, as well as Gareth with all his levels with the stocks and the small caps are unbelievable, 80 to 90% success rate. So just wanted to share that with everybody and thank them for the service that they provide and all the teaching that they do to newer as well as veteran traders. So just wanted to shoot this video for them. Cheers, guys.
Hey folks, welcome to this special subscriber video by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. Hi everyone, I'm Arnold from the chat room. Today I'm going to talk to you about gap downs. Every day companies announce good earnings or bad earnings, and the stock might gap up or gap down. If you haven't been to Nick's Gap webinar, what are you waiting for? I'll show you an example here where I picked up Autodesk using the methodology and using the processes and using the technical levels that I learned to calculate from the Gap webinar run by Nick. Autodesk, in the middle of May, dropped 13% at the open over here. And all of us in the chat room knew exactly where to pick it up to within 2 cents, and we all picked up a nice 5 to 6% bounce in the space of just 3 minutes. This is just one example of the gaps that occur each and every trading day. And once you get good at it, you can stop trading for the day. You can become a 1-hour trader. Now, I have been interested in trading and investing for many, many years. And I've looked at lots and lots of websites. 99% of them are complete and total waste of money and waste of time. They're even rip-offs. InTheMoneyStocks.com is completely in a class of its own. If you're not a member, what are you waiting for? I'll see you all on the charts.